Hi guys, I'm Ravikran. Welcome back to my channel. And first of all, I have to thank you each and everyone because our channel has crossed like 7.5k subscribers in no time. So I really thank you each and everyone and who are a part of my success. Today also I'm back with another video, that is a review of electric bike. That is a pure electric bike ePluto 7G. So this is the electric bike made by IIT Hyderabad. So exclusive like scooter. In this video I'm going to tell you each and every feature of this bike, like what is the range and how much what is the time it is taking to charge the battery. So each and everything will be addressed in this video, so do watch the video till the end and let's get started. So first things first, if you look at this scooter, it almost looks similar to Vespa. So people will be get confused by looking at its design. So this is an electric bike ePluto 7G, as you can see. So before telling the all new specifications, let me give you features of it. So if you can see the front design, you got all LED headlamps with round mirrors. And coming to the front DRLs, so DRLs are placed here. As you can see, these are the DRLs, 3-spot DRLs with left and right. So on the two sides you got DRLs. And coming to the main wheels, got cast alloy wheels with a disc brake. So these brakes offer you good stopping power, as I have driven before. So this is the center control which has 5 inches of screen, and let me turn on it. So before turning it on, let me show you the key fob. So this is the key fob actually, and this bike also has anti-theft alarm features, where this key has lock, unlock, power button and alarm signal. So let me turn it on. So when I turn it on, the display looks like this, like negative display. So now the bike is in parking mode. When the bike is in parking mode, this bike doesn't move at all. And this has 3 riding modes, 1, 2 and 3. And the buttons are placed right here. So 1, 2 and 3. And a battery indicator and total odometer and ePluto logo. And there are 2 horns, like on the left and the right. And turn signals. And low beam, high beam. So basically these all are the features that have been included in this display. And coming to the bottom section, there is some luggage storage place here and a luggage carrying hook. And let me open the seat. So this is the lithium ion battery, as I told you. So 60 watts, 2.5 kilowatt hours battery. So this is a portable one. You can take it out from here and charge it in your home. There are 2 power sockets, one on the battery and one below the seat. So there are 2 sockets to charge the battery. And coming to the rear, this is how the battery motor hub looks like. So power is given to rear wheels, and this is the rear tail light with the turn signals. And you also got an footrest for the ladies to sit on. To the main topic, what is the price of this vehicle? So basically this bike is priced at rupees 93,500, and this bike has to be registered with RTO. So the present model which you are looking, ePluto 7G, has to be registered with RTO, and there is another model which is ePluto. For that there is no need to register in RTO. So for this vehicle has 60V 2.5 kilowatt hour battery. There is a charge time of 4 hours, which consumes 2 units of electric power. So 2 units means the price amount will be 7 to 10 rupees. So for 7 to 10 rupees of current usage, you get a range of 120 kilometers. So if you charge for 4 hours, you get 120 kilometers of fuel range, and the maximum speed will be 60 kilometers per hour. And that also depends upon your riding speed. So basically I told you there are 3 riding modes, like 1, 2, 3. Like each and every mode has specific set of speed. And the battery warranty for this bike is 3 years and 1 year of motor warranty. Let me start the vehicle and show you. Current it is in parking mode. Now I have to take it off. So I need to press this button one more time. So now it's in running mode, as I kept the double stand. Now this can move. Now let me give you some throttle. Now the rear wheel is moving. Let me show you once. it's very silent. And let me demonstrate you the anti-theft feature. So now the bike is in lock position, and I'm locking it with key fob. And if anyone lifts the vehicle without any access, now the vehicle automatically gives you hazards. This is how the, oh my god. So now the anti-theft alarm is working. Now it's turned off. So this is how the anti-theft alarm works. And these are some basic features of this ePluto 7C electric vehicle. Now let's take this bike out for a spin and see the ride impressions, like what's the power it's giving, like is it able to give the pull on electric vehicle like other vehicles has. So each and everything will be checking now. And now I'm on highway. Now let's test the speed of this vehicle in 3 modes, 1, 2 and 3. So I'm switching the mode into 1, and let me turn on it. So as you turn on it, as I shown you the features of it, parking mode. So I have to take the parking mode off. So now it is in running mode, and let's now give the power. Wow, the pull is very good, and first gear can go up to a speed of 33 km per hour. And now changing the mode into 2. The engine is very silent, like this is a battery powered vehicle. It's very silent, even you cannot feel the vehicle is moving, just you can feel the noise of the tires. Second gear can go up to 45, and now changing the mode into 3. So mode 3 can go up to 55 to 60. (56, 57). So power is quite good actually. So if you want to take this vehicle in your day-to-day life, this vehicle works perfectly. As I have ridden previous electric bikes like Hero electric vehicles, so I didn't get a good feedback on that vehicle, but this is very good. Like I am loving this vehicle. And coming to the suspension is quite good. It's very soft. It's giving like spongy kind of feel, where each and every person will love its suspension. Highest speed will be like 56, 57, 58. So this is the speed that you can cruise along with this vehicle. So 4 hours of charge will give you 120 kilometers of fuel range, and power consumption will be a price amount of 7 rupees to 10 rupees. So just for rupees 7 to 10 rupees you are getting 120 kilometers of range, which is quite good. So special thanks to IIT people who made this bike very practical. Let me tell you one more thing. If you press this brake, the engine cuts off. So most of the people will have a habit of riding the vehicle using the brakes. Press the brake and give the throttle, the engine cuts off. So you have to get used to it. And I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, because a lot of new content will be coming in our channel. So and even you can message me on Instagram, and my Instagram ID is Ravikiran Kasuri. You can see now. So see another video. Until then, bye. I'm Ravikiran signing off.